Have you ever wondered why yoga is not just for the lean and flexible, but truly for every body type? Let's delve into the philosophy that makes yoga an inclusive practice. Yoga, contrary to popular belief, is not about achieving a certain physical appearance. Instead, it's about holistic well-being, a journey towards personal growth and self-discovery. It's a symphony of the mind, body, and spirit, played out through physical poses, yes, but also through breathing techniques and meditation. It's a practice that encourages self-acceptance and mindfulness, and it's this philosophy that makes yoga accessible to everyone. It's not about being able to stretch yourself into a pretzel. It's about finding peace within yourself and developing a deeper connection with your body. So forget about the stereotypical yoga body. Remember, every body is a yoga body. Now that we've debunked the myth of the perfect yoga body, let's dive into some specific poses that everyone can try. Starting with the chair pose, a pose that engages your whole body while testing your willpower. It's a bit like pretending to sit on an invisible chair and only the bravest can master it. Now imagine you're about to sit down on that comfy recliner, but whoops, it's not there. So you're stuck in this half-seated position, thighs parallel to the floor, knees over ankles, and back straight. This pose is a real powerhouse. It targets your thighs, ankles, and calves, not to mention your spine, chest, and shoulders. It's like a one-stop shop for your muscles, an all-in-one package, and the best part, it helps strengthen your lower back and torso. But remember, the chair pose isn't just a physical workout, it's also a mental one. It's about finding that sweet spot between effort and surrender, much like trying to find a parking spot during a holiday sale. And for those of you thinking, I can't do that, remember, this isn't a competition. Yoga is not about touching your toes, it's about what you learn on the way down. Remember, it's not about how deep you go, but how well you engage your muscles. Next up, the boat pose, a fun balancing act that strengthens your core. Imagine yourself as a boat bobbing gently on a calm sea. Start seated, with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lean back slightly, lift your feet, and balance on your sit bones. Extend your arms in front of you, parallel to the floor. If you're feeling adventurous, straighten your legs, reaching your toes towards the sky. This pose targets your abs, hip flexors, and spine, creating a strong and stable core. It's like a mini workout for the middle of your body, without the heavy gym equipment. And here's a little secret. It's also a great way to improve your balance. If you feel like you're riding a rocky boat, don't worry, you're not alone. It's a common experience when you're starting out. And remember, it's okay if your boat rocks a little, it's all part of the journey. Finally, we have a trifecta of poses: the crescent lunge, forearm plank, and bridge pose. Let's dive right in. First up, the crescent lunge. Picture yourself as a moon curving towards the earth. This pose is a heart opener, stretching the chest while strengthening the legs and hips. It's like doing a trust fall with gravity, and gravity always catches you. Next, we have the forearm plank. Now this is a full-body workout in disguise. It strengthens your core, arms, and legs while challenging your balance. Think of it as a horizontal tree pose. You may feel like a plank of wood, but remember, even the mightiest oak was once a seed. Lastly, we have the bridge pose. This pose is a great way to stretch the chest, neck, and spine. It's like being a human drawbridge connecting body and mind. It's a gentle inversion pose that boosts circulation and calms the brain. Remember to breathe through each pose, because oxygen is the best energy drink in town. With these 3 poses, you've got a mini workout ready to go anytime, anywhere. So, are you ready to embrace yoga and its transformative power? It's not about achieving the perfect yoga body, whatever that may mean. It's about embracing your body as it is, discovering the power within you through the practice of yoga. Yoga isn't just about mastering the chair pose, the boat pose, the crescent lunge, the forearm plank, or the bridge pose. It's about the balance, the strength, and the calm that come with these poses. It's about the mindfulness, the deep, steady breaths, the sense of peace that wash over you as you flow from one pose to another. Let's be clear, yoga isn't a competition. It's a journey towards holistic well-being, towards self-discovery, and yes, towards a healthier, stronger body. But more importantly, it's a journey of the mind and the spirit. So, why not start your journey today? Embrace yoga, embrace the transformative power it holds. Discover the strength, the balance, the peace that lie within you. And remember, every body is a yoga body. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about yoga, please like, subscribe, and check out our other videos. Remember, every body is a yoga body.